JJ the CPA here. Let's talk about financial audits. The first thing to know is it has nothing to do with an IRS audit. The second thing to know is that it's voluntarily something that a business gets. Why? Because a third party wants to verify that the numbers that are on those financial statements from that business is correct. So who would want that? A bank, a bond company, or more importantly, an investor who's looking to buy in to that company. So when you're looking at a financial audit, the CPA is verifying those numbers, and then it is making an opinion on whether or not that CPA believes that it will be a going concern, meaning it will continue to be in business for the foreseeable future. So as you can tell, that's a big undertaking. A CPA is the only one that is able to do that. Now there's two other things that small businesses can receive. One's called a review and one's called a compilation. A review is very similar to an audit, except it is not a situation where they're going to verify as much information, so it is less expensive. A compilation is very simple in the sense that that CPA is just going to simply take your numbers and put them in a format called GAAP, Generally Accepted Accounting Principles, so that a third party will be able to understand those financials in a way that they can verify the standard that they're under and then also compare it to other years or other businesses. So when you hear of a company and they've gone through a financial audit, know that they have received a lot of detailed look at what's gone into their businesses. So any company that's being publicly traded, any company that's huge, that's looking for a number of investors, you would want to look at those audited financial statements, and more importantly, look at the CPA's opinion on that, on whether or not they believe it will be a going concern. All right, here's the deal. Last thing is, when you're talking with a bank and you own a small business and they say, we want financial statements, typically those can just be provided internally. If they say they want audited financials or reviewed financials, know that those are a lot more expensive. Depending where you are in the country, an audited financial might run at least a minimum of 15 grand. It can be all the way up to $1 million depending on how big you are. Compilations could start out somewhere around maybe $750 to $1,000. Reviews hit maybe right in the middle with maybe $500 to $7,500. So here's the thing, know what it is that you're committing to with the bank. If you're investing, know what it is that you're looking at so that you're making good decisions. All right, hey, thanks for tuning in. And if you like my videos, I'd love it and appreciate it if you'd subscribe. We've got daily videos that come out. All right, hey, and then don't you forget, you've never met a CPA quite like me. Get the